So welcome guys, this is Bitget Wallet Live. It's like a new participation task in which you can be able to get some things from the Bitget wallet. So the first thing that you are going to do, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough on how you are going to do it, and likelihood of the potential yielding some profit is also very high. So the first thing that we are going to do is to click on here, which is basically the terms and conditions as well as creating our own wallet. So I agree with the terms and conditions and I'll create my wallet. So what we are doing basically is to enjoy the new prize pool in Bitget. So they're actually using their own version of Telegram. That's everybody's ripping off from the Telegram hype. So the first thing here is that I'm going to pause the video to be able to input my own password, please. I've imputed my own password. That's why I paused the video. So while watching it, you can be able to input your own password alongside. Okay. So the new price is prepared for the second milestone. That's the 100. That's 10 million. Okay, 10 million. That's what's this. Then you can be able to. Your objective is to go down here. Is to be able to go down here to see what is obtainable on the taskbar. So from your wallet to what is this to swap as well as to settings. These things are just basically a way of making it efficient and effective for people to be able to use Telegram in-app as well as their Bitget wallet instead of you going back and forth to opening the app on Bitget. So that's how the thing is. So everybody's trying to make things look much more seamless and easy for others, in the sense that you can, the same way you have a Telegram wallet inside your Telegram app instead of going to Townkeeper, that is the same way that you can be able to use Bitget and exchange inside Telegram without going through, minimizing your phone to go through Bitget wallet separately. So that's how the whole thing is. So here on wallets, you don't do much unless you want to be able to put or receive any money inside it. Then here on what is this, the most important thing is to be able to invite your friends by sharing your invite link. Obviously, to invite your friends and sharing your invite link there, then you can be able to swap. Okay, swap is not supported on the mini app, but you can be able to use the Bitget wallet app for this feature. Fine. Then here on settings, this is actually the most important part of the airdrop or the activity that we are currently doing now. So here is you go to your currency is set, your language is set, you go to your wallet management. That's here in wallet management, you go to export mnemonics. The mnemonics are those 12 key phrases that you have, which you should be able to hold as well as keep it very well. So export mnemonics. Then if you use this wallet in other scenarios, this prompt, you can export your mnemonics, this phrase accept ownership, so that you should be able to prevent exposure that could compromise your asset security. What this thing basically means is that you know your key phrases and you keep it safely. What I suggest is to write it down on a piece of paper so that you don't forget it, and probably keep it at home instead of you traveling with it. Or if you are going to put it on Google Drive, make sure that the PDF, or you have it, the PDF that you are going to put it in, or your Google Doc has a password. Then you can be able to upload it on your Google Drive, and make sure that you turn off access from anybody except you who has the access to the Google Drive, so that nobody can be able to view it nor edit it. So I can export my mnemonics, as you can see. Then here on, I'll pause the video so that you don't see my mnemonics. So I've finally completed it. Then it has exported successfully. So I'll press OK now. So what I have just done is to be able to create my wallet. What this thing is actually all about is that you are going to be able to receive some token or a prize token because this is like a new development. So they want people to create an asset inside it. So the likelihood of you getting an airdrop from this thing, from your Bitget Wallet Life, is high. Okay, so that is how the whole thing is all about. My name is Odis Profit. If you want to support me, please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.